Hello students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching English class. Here we provide ICSE, CBSE and WBSE solutions. Today we came up with another interesting topic, that is decimal to binary and binary to decimal conversion. Students, this step is not only important for the students who are learning computer, but also it has a major role in the competitive exams. So learn this very well, otherwise you can have difficulties in facing this atmosphere of exams. So here we learn from basic to advanced level, and we will give you the traditional method and with 2 second trick. Yes students, here we will providing you a very short trick, so watch the full video and don't skip anything, otherwise you may miss the vital trick which will help you to solve this type of questions within 2 seconds only. Here you can see 21 is the decimal number because it is having the base of 10, 1 to infinity, 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the decimal numbers, and the number which is composed of only two digit 1 and 0 and the base of 2, they are the binary form. So 21 has to be converted into binary form, and this binary number has to be converted into decimal number. I hope you have understood now what is decimal and binary number. Now we'll start with the traditional method. So here the question is 21 whose base is 10, that means 21 is a decimal number and we have to convert it within decimal within the binary form. So here we will be factorizing 21 with 2 until unless there is 1 at the end. So we will start with 2. 2 tens are 20, remainder is 1. 2 fives are 10, so remainder is 0. 2 twos are 4, the remainder is 1. 2 ones are 2, the remainder is 0. We will be writing the remainder at the right end of the number, but after there is 1 at the end, we will be counting the total numbers from the end. Okay students, not from the beginning, we will be counting from the bottom to the up. So here our answer will be 10101. So our final answer is, when we will be writing the answer, we will have to write in the form 21 base 10 equals to, our answer is 10101 base 2. So this is our final answer. Now we will be discussing it with another example, such as here 50 must have to be transformed into a binary form. That is, we will be factorizing 50 with 2, that is 2 25 are 50, remainder is 0. 2 12 are 24, remainder is 1. 2 6 are 12, remainder is 0. 2 3 are 6, remainder is 0, and 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. Now as soon as we will complete this, we will be counting the numbers from the end to the beginning. So here our answer will be 1 1 0 0 1 0. So finally the answer is 110010, and when we will be writing the answer, we have to write in this particular form to get the full marks. This is our traditional method. Yes students, now we will be discussing binary to decimal conversion. You can see this is a binary number and we have to transform it into decimal number. Now we will start with the traditional method. So here you can see the question is 10101. Now we will just start counting the number from the last. The last number is, the last digit is 0. Next 1 2 3 4. In this way we will just count this number. Next, after counting, we will add equal to sign, and after equal to sign we will look at the first digit, that is 1. 1 into, here the base is 2, so we will write 2 here, and the power of 2 will be the last counting. Here this is 4, so 1 into 2 to the power 4. Next it will be continuing with the addition. So 1 into 2 to the power 4, then there is 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power cube. Next plus 1 into 2 square plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So here we will be adding this number. 2 to the power 4 equals to 16 plus 0 multiplies with any number gives the result of 0. Next 1 into 2 to the power square, 2 square equals to 4, so 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 into any number equals to 0, then 1 into 2 to the power 0. Okay, if any number's power is 0, then its result is 1. So 1 into 1 equals to 1. So the final result is 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 equals to 21. So this is our final answer, students. Next we will be discussing this with another example, that is 110010. This number has to be converted into a decimal number. So here is the traditional method, that is we'll again start counting the number from the end, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 digits, so we'll start this in the following steps. 1 into 2 power 5, 2 to the power 5 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 0, because 0 into any number is 0, so we are not writing this again. So 0, next there is 0, so 0 into 2 to the power 2 equals to 0. Next 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0. Next our result is 2 to the power 5 is 32, so 1 into 2 to the power 5 equals to 32, so 32 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 equals to 16 equals to 16 plus 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 equals to 2. So 32 plus 16 plus 2 equals to 50. So this is our final answer. Now we are going to discuss this with the best trick ever that will enable you to solve this type of problem within only 2 seconds. But before discussing this, you must have to memorize this. Okay students, memorize this. So this is the double trick. That means 1, the double of 1 is 2, 2's double 4, 4's double 8, 8 will be doubled in 16, double of 16 is 32, the double of 32 is 64, and this series will be going on. That means we will be starting from right to left. As soon as we want to convert any binary to decimal or decimal number to binary form, we have to write this in the beginning. So here again we will memorize it. 1, double of 1 is 2, double of 2 is 4, double of 4 is 8, 8's double 16, 16's double 32, 16's double 32, and 32's double 64, and this series will be going forward. That means from right to left we'll be writing this. Now I hope all of you have memorized this. Now we will go to the trick. So here you can see 110010 must have to be converted into a decimal number. So we will write this step first. 1 2 4 8 16 32 64. We will write this series first, and after writing this series we will simply write the given question from left to right. So here 110010. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits, so we'll be writing from the right end. So 110010. Okay students, we have written the number finally, and now we will be adding the number those have only 1. So here 32, next 16, next 2. So the number which are having 1, we will be adding those number only. So 32 plus 16 plus 2 equals to 50. Now we will be discussing this with another example. Here students, you can see how many digits are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we will start writing this number from the end. Okay, so from the end we are writing this number. Here 1, next 1 0 1 0 1 and 1. So you can see up to 64 it has taken. Now we have to add those numbers which are having the result of 1. So here we have written 1 against 64, so 64 will be added. Next there is 1 against 32, so 32 will be added. Next 8, and next 2 and 1. So this number will be added. So 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1 equals to, the result is 107. So students, you can see how easy is this. Now here is the exercise. So if you practice this, it will make you perfect. So practice this and send this answer. We will certainly reply you and let you know whether your answer is correct or not. I hope that you have understood it best. Now we will be discussing decimal to binary conversion. Here students, you can see 50, the decimal number must have to be converted into a binary form. The process remains the same. So here we have to find out those numbers which giving the result of 50. That means students, first of all, from this series we have to write this series in the beginning. 1 2 4 8 16 32 64. We will write this in the beginning. After write this, we must have to find out to those numbers which are giving the result of 52. So here you can see, if we add 32 plus 16 plus 2, it will give the result of 50. So those number which are giving the result of 50, will be writing 1 against those number. So 32, 16 and 2, they will be written as 1, and those number which are not giving the result of 1, which are not giving the result of 50, will be writing 0 against them. So here the final answer is 110010. We will be discussing this with another example, students. First of all, to write the answer or to find out the answer, we will be writing this series 1 2 4 8 16 32 and 64, and next we will have to try to find out the total result of 120. So here you can see, if we add 32 plus 30 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8, then we are getting the result of 120. Okay, so we have to add 1 against those numbers which are giving the result of 120 after addition. So 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 is giving us 120. So we'll be writing 1 against those numbers, and those numbers which are not giving the result of 120, we will be writing 0 against them. So 0 0 0. So our final answer is 1111000. So students, I hope that you have understood everything very well. If you find any problem, if you find any difficulty here, then you must let us know this, and we will certainly help you to solve your problem instantly. Students, finally, this is your exercise. You should practice this to make your performance better. Now, if you students find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share and like our videos, because your little like helps us a lot and motivates us a lot to provide you more helpful contents. Goodbye students, have a nice day.